Looking for the best laptop for video editing in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. Video editing requires a powerhouse machine, a laptop that can handle all those edits, transitions, and effects with ease. And let's not forget the importance of a high-quality display for color grading. In this video, we'll be exploring some top-notch laptops, ideal for both professional video editors and enthusiastic beginners. So, let's dive right in and look at some of the best laptops for video editing in 2024. First up, we have the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch M3 Max 2023. This laptop is a powerhouse in a sleek and portable package. It's no wonder it has found favor among the creative community, particularly those who delve into video editing. Let's talk about performance. Packed with the latest M3 Max chip, the MacBook Pro offers unrivaled speed and efficiency. This means you can work on your most complex projects without any hiccups, making it a reliable partner for your creative journey. The MacBook Pro doesn't stop at performance. It also boasts a vivid 16-inch Retina display. With millions of colors at its disposal and high resolution, this laptop brings your creations to life in the most vibrant way possible. It's like having a portable cinema right at your fingertips. But what about its build? Well, the MacBook Pro 16-inch M3 Max 2023 sports a premium aluminum chassis. It's not just about looks though. This design choice makes the laptop incredibly durable while maintaining a light weight. You can easily carry it around, making it a commendable choice for those who like to create on the go. There are, however, some considerations. The MacBook Pro, while packed with features, comes with a hefty price tag. If you're on a budget, this might be a point of contention. But for those who can afford it, the investment is worth every penny. This laptop stands as the overall best option for video editing, especially for those in the creative community. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to providing tools that empower creatives to do their best work. Next, we have the MSI Prestige 16 Evo. This laptop is a standout when it comes to Windows-based devices for video editing. Boasting a powerful processor, this machine is built to handle the most creative tasks, making it a strong contender in the realm of video editing. Now, the Prestige 16 Evo doesn't just impress with its performance, it also brings to the table a display that's nothing short of excellent. With this laptop, you can expect vibrant, true-to-life colors that make your video editing experience not only efficient, but also visually satisfying. And let's not forget about the comfortable keyboard that comes with this device. It's designed to facilitate long hours of work without causing any discomfort, allowing you to focus on your creative process and not on your typing experience. But what truly sets the Prestige 16 Evo apart is its affordability. Despite its powerful features, this laptop comes at a price point that's more accessible than many of its competitors. This makes it a practical choice for those who are seeking a balance between performance and cost. However, like any product, it's not without its downsides. Some users have reported that the fan noise can become noticeable during heavy workloads. But considering its performance and price point, this is a minor hiccup that's easily outweighed by its benefits. This laptop is the top Windows video editing laptop to consider. With its combination of power, excellent display, comfortable keyboard, and affordability, the MSI Prestige 16 Evo is a compelling option for anyone venturing into the world of video editing. Another great option is the MSI Creator Z16P. This laptop makes a strong case as a top contender for video editing, especially for those who are budget-conscious but unwilling to compromise on performance. The MSI Creator Z16P is engineered to be powerful, featuring a robust processor that smoothly handles all the heavy lifting during video editing. Whether it's rendering complex sequences or multitasking between editing software, this laptop doesn't miss a beat. But it's not just about the processor. The laptop also boasts a decent graphics card, adding to its competency in handling graphics-intensive tasks with ease. With this, you can confidently dive into effects work or high-resolution video editing without worrying about any performance hiccups. And then, there's the battery life. The MSI Creator Z16P stands out with its impressive endurance, allowing you to work for extended periods without being tethered to a power outlet. This feature is a godsend for those who like to edit on the go, or simply prefer the freedom to work wherever inspiration strikes. Of course, no laptop is without its shortcomings. While the MSI Creator Z16P delivers on performance and battery life, it may not match the premium feel or display quality of some higher-end models. But then again, it's all about finding the right balance that suits your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a powerful machine at a reasonable price, this is the laptop for you. We also have the Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 2023 and the HP ZBook Studio G8. The Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 2023 is a gem in the realm of compact laptops. It brings the power of Apple's M3 chip into a smaller, more portable package without compromising on the performance that video editors demand. With a vivid Retina display, it provides crisp visuals that make every frame of your video come to life. It's also an all-rounder, boasting a long battery life and a durable aluminum chassis that makes it a perfect companion for on-the-go editing. However, don't let its smaller size fool you. This MacBook Pro model is still a heavyweight when it comes to processing power thanks to the M3 chip. It can handle heavy video editing tasks with ease, allowing you to work on complex projects without any fuss. The only downside is the higher price point, but for the performance it delivers, it's worth every penny. Switching gears, we come to the HP ZBook Studio G8. This laptop is a powerhouse, specifically designed for heavy-duty tasks like video editing. It's a robust workstation that brings together a powerful processor, top-notch graphics card, and a sturdy design to deliver a stellar performance. The ZBook Studio G8 is built to handle demanding video editing tasks, and it doesn't disappoint. It comes with a high-resolution display that offers excellent color accuracy, making it ideal for video editing. The laptop's durable design ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use, and its powerful internals provide smooth performance even when dealing with high-resolution video files and complex effects. However, the ZBook is not as portable as the MacBook Pro, and it comes with a higher price tag. But for video editors who need a robust workstation that can handle demanding tasks, this laptop is an excellent choice. In conclusion, the MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 2023 and the HP ZBook Studio G8 are both excellent choices for video editing. They offer outstanding performance, each in their unique ways. The MacBook Pro stands out for its portability and compact design, while the HP ZBook shines as a powerful workstation. These laptops offer excellent performance for video editing in their respective size categories. So, what should you consider when choosing a laptop for video editing? Let's take a quick recap. We've seen the prowess of the Apple MacBook Pro, both the 16-inch and 14-inch M3 Max variants, the MSI Prestige 16 Evo and Creator Z 16P and the HP ZBook Studio G8. Each of these laptops brings something unique to the table, be it in terms of performance, price, or portability. But the best laptop for you isn't necessarily the one with the highest specs. It's the one that perfectly aligns with your needs, preferences, and budget. So, let's delve into some key factors you should consider when choosing a laptop for video editing. First up is the processor. This is the brain of your laptop. It handles all the calculations needed for video editing. A powerful processor, therefore, is essential for a smooth editing experience. Next is the graphics card. It helps render your videos and can be particularly useful when you're working on high-resolution projects or with a lot of effects. While it's not a must-have, a robust graphics card can significantly enhance your editing process. RAM, or random access memory, is another crucial factor. It stores data that your computer is actively using. The more RAM your laptop has, the better it can handle larger video files and more complex projects. Then, there's storage. Video files can be quite large, and you'll need ample space to store them. A solid-state drive, or SSD, is recommended for its fast boot times and quicker application loading times, and of course, the display. It's essential to have a high-resolution display with accurate color representation for precise video editing. Finally, portability. If you're a digital nomad or you frequently edit on the go, you'll need a laptop that's lightweight and easy to carry around. Remember, the best laptop for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Happy editing!